Veggies, veggies, veggies. If they're so good for you, then why do I hate to cook them? No one has ever asked us if we have enough day for 3 meals a day. Who has time to find a good recipe, get all the groceries, and learn how to actually make the meal? It should be as simple as cook, eat.
Meet Pronto, Cooking Pal's smart 8-in-1 pressure cooker.
What makes Pronto smarter than the average pressure cooker? Pronto not only does the work of multiple culinary devices, but also guides you through every step of the cooking process. With the power to get dinner on the table in a fraction of the time, each meal is made with you in mind. This smart pressure cooker makes it easy to weigh, saute, slow cook, and simmer. One huge kitchen headache is having to use multiple measuring devices while cooking. You dirty dish after dish that aren't even going to be used to cook the ingredients. With Pronto's built-in scale, you get to keep your prep area uncluttered of cups and beakers. At times, cooking can come with a certain je ne sais pas, as in, I don't know what they are saying. It's a different language. With Pronto's multi-language function and guided cooking, your meal planning meets no barriers. Aubergine becomes eggplant, écrasé becomes squash, and ratatouille becomes your next meal. Another great challenge humanity faces is heat. If fire good, why burn hand? Pressure release valves, hot pots, and pans can lead to some serious nasty burns, and even nastier words. Easily go from cooking to serving with Pronto's automatic pressure release and cool touch handles. All this talk about food has me thinking about my next cheat day. French toast, no. Chicken wings, no. Onion rings, no. Oh, that grease and cleanup. I'm sure I could have all of those without the guilt if I had an air fryer. And more counter space. There's no need to invest in a completely new air fryer when Pronto is designed to work with the soon-to-be-released air fryer attachment. Cooking Pal strives to make our cooking devices compatible and collaborative, reducing the number of appliances needed in your kitchen. With the Cooking Pal remote control and app, you'll have access to multiple devices, nutritional info, and set up automated features with ease. In addition to everything the 8-in-1 Smart Pressure Cooker is already equipped to do, future innovations will include virtual cooking lessons, health goals, voice command, and shoppable lists so you have an extra set of hands when yours are full. Whether you're cooking for yourself or dinner for the family, this smart, powerful, and space-saving multifunction pressure cooker is there to help. For a convenient cooking experience that complements your lifestyle and kitchen, bring Pronto home.